You know, when it comes to tackling belly fat, it feels like everyone has an opinion, right? You walk into the gym, and it's like stepping into a battlefield of fitness philosophies. There's the cardio crowd, hammering away on treadmills, convinced that running is the golden ticket. Then there are the weightlifters, who swear by squats and deadlifts, claiming they're the secret to a sculpted midsection. But let's get real for a second. If you want to reduce belly fat effectively, you've got to focus on your core. And that means hitting those abdominal exercises hard. First off, let's talk about planks. They're deceptively simple, but they pack a punch. You get into that position, and it's like your whole body is screaming at you. You think, this isn't so bad. But then the seconds tick by, and suddenly your core is on fire. It's not just about holding still, it's about engaging every muscle, feeling that connection from your shoulders to your toes. And the beauty of planks is that they're versatile. You can switch it up with side planks, or even add in some leg lifts to really challenge yourself. It's all about that stability and strength. Then there are crunches. Classic, right? But let's not just do them mindlessly. You've got to focus on form. It's not about how many you can crank out. It's about how well you do them. Engage your core, lift with intention, and don't pull on your neck. You want to feel that burn in your abs, not in your back. And if you want to spice things up, throw in some bicycle crunches. Those babies will have your obliques screaming for mercy. But trust me, they're worth it. And we can't forget about leg raises. They're like the secret weapon in your arsenal. Lying flat on your back, you lift those legs up, and it's a whole new level of challenge. You can feel every muscle working, and it's a reminder that you've got to push through the discomfort. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about building a strong core that supports everything else you do. But here's the kicker. No matter how many ab exercises you do, if you're not pairing them with a solid nutrition plan, you're just spinning your wheels. It's about that balance, working hard in the gym and making smart choices outside of it. You can't out-exercise a bad diet, right? So, while you're sweating it out with those crunches and planks, remember to fuel your body with the right foods. At the end of the day, it's a journey. It's about consistency, dedication, and finding what works for you. Embrace the process, and those results will come.